hold on to that rope and keep your feet out in front of you. Just hold on to that rope and sit back and keep your feet out in front of you so you don't hit the wall. Yep.